Hello, how are you guys?
Good. How you doing?
Good. Miso soup. Seaweed.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Alright. My name is Chef Gary, all the way from Philippines, and I'll be your Chef de Banyaki for tonight. Celebrate for tonight. Are you ready?
Okay.
Alright.
Oh.
And here. And the last one, my helicopter. Yeah. Body spray all the way from Big Sport. Johnson BB oil all the way from Indian department with the happy face. Every step you take each other for tonight. Who
Oh,
are
okay.
on diet tonight? Who's in diet tonight? Anybody diet tonight? One cup all the way from Walmart. Alright, I'm gonna keep your eyes straight, right? Alright. Over here. One. Whoa.
Whoa.
There's a lot of eggshell over there.
Not a baluda.
Girl for tonight. 1, 2, 3, ole. Whoop. Yeah. I'm gonna make a heart shape for baby girl again. Right here. Huh? Yeah, and for you, young boy. That is my gift for you. Sodium and high sodium salt. Right, promise, sir.
Bolita.
In my country, frito means fried, and here, Anna, wake up. Looking good. Goodbye to my friend Anna, my friend. Half of the garlic for your fried rice. Half. Yeah, vanilla ice cream. My vanilla ice cream. White wine. Oh, it's only water, ma'am. This is my diet Pepsi. Also, it's a sugar-free. Okay? Scallion, ma'am and sir. We call your fried rice for tonight. Around or a heart shape for everybody. All the way from our onion. All the way from appetizer in main course, ma'am and sir. Gonna give you fried rice. So you have something to eat. If you will not agree, you will.
Much agree.
For you, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Turn around your vegetable, of course. Turn around. Your Japanese marshmallow.
Good.
There you go, black pepper. Yeah, mosquito tonight. All the way from Maine. Then we're gonna turn around your scallop. Yeah, vegetable, the yellow one, and seafood. Everybody look for lemon, mommy, sir. Here's your. Thank you. Here's seafood. Okay, we already started. Anybody want more rice? Just let me know. Lemon. All the way. Then I have an extra. Who want to try some scallop? Yeah. Everybody for your seafood.
Calamari.
And your steak for tonight, all the way from the land of Mu, Umulan. Okay, Rebecca, open your steak. Medium. Enjoy the rest
Thank
of the
you.
night and enjoy the rest of your crew. Good night, everyone.
Good night. 10. Wait.